Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike and this is Meet Mike. Thanks for tuning in. It's your first time here. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. You don't want to miss an episode. Got a quick update for you guys, some breaking news. The Supreme Court allows the release of Trump's tax returns to the New York City prosecutor. Whoa, dun 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 dun. If you guys aren't familiar with Donald Trump and his tax returns, he hasn't been wanting to release them. He campaigned for his 2016 presidency that he would release the tax returns as soon as his lawyers got done with them or something. I can't really remember what he said. It's 2021. Someone else is now the president, and we've still yet to see those tax returns. So this could get interesting, you guys. If you don't know, if you haven't been following, President Donald Trump is in a lot of legal trouble. The New York City prosecutor is trying to prosecute him. These tax returns could be devastating for him. Why are you fighting so hard to hide these things? I'm not against Trump, for Trump. I'm not for Biden, against Biden. But when you look at things, someone that's trying to stop something from getting seen for so long and so hard, this guy, motion after motion after motion to stop people from seeing his taxes. Why? Release your taxes, bro. You probably only paid $50 in taxes in 20 years, but what else are you hiding? And we're going to soon find out, soon to see, New York City federal prosecutor. And from what I've heard, these New York City prosecutors, they don't play. These guys are sharp and they don't play. You better cross your T's and dot your I's with these guys. And I don't think Donald Trump has done that over the years. I think that he's got a lot of dirt that's probably going to be uncovered very soon. And I think this guy's in big trouble. And I'm not wishing it on him. Again, I'm not for him, against him. I'm not for Biden, against Biden. Honestly, if there was a third choice, I probably would have voted for the third choice out of those two. But kind of only the two we had, so it is what it is. We have Joe Biden as our president now, but things could get very interesting when these tax returns are released. So I just want to go through this quick little article with you guys real quick and talk a little bit about what this says here. This is breaking news. The Supreme Court cleared the way for a new prosecutor to obtain former President Donald Trump's tax returns, dealing a massive loss to Trump, who has fiercely fought to shield his financial papers from prosecutors. Why? And I understand you have rights. What are you hiding? If somebody wants to see my tax returns right now, look at them. And I understand that my tax returns don't have millions and millions on them, and my taxes aren't as significant as someone, let's say, as Donald Trump. But he promised that the tax returns would come out. They never did. We went through his entire presidency, and we've still yet to see Donald Trump's tax returns. And I'm curious. I don't care. They're not mine, but I'm curious. What's this guy hiding? And here's my personal opinion on it. This guy's been sneaking and conniving and swindling his way out of everything for decades. Maybe it's time for a little bit of accountability. You know what? And again, I'm not for him, against him. I'm just looking at the facts and looking at the years watching Donald Trump, watching him. All you have to do is watch someone. They usually tell on themselves. And we've been watching Donald Trump. And sure, it's been on TV, it's been in the spotlight, but read between the lines, guys. Read between the lines. The documents will be subject to grand jury secrecy rules that restrict their public release. And that's initial, but in due time, those documents will be revealed, especially if there's going to be a case brought against Donald Trump that are going to include these tax returns. In due time, we will see those tax returns. It's been a long time coming, and I want to see him. I just want to see him. So this guy talks like there's so much dirt and corruption in the government, which there probably is, but he talks as if he's not dirt and corruption. It's like the pot calling the kettle black. Dirt and corruption calling dirt and corruption dirt and corruption. It's all dirt and corruption. You're no different. He claimed to come in and shine a light on all the corruption. It's corruption shining a light on corruption. Donald Trump has a lot of dirt, and I guess everybody has a history. Everybody has a background, but don't talk like you're some kind of Christian who's never done wrong. There's a lot of dirt that we probably don't know about. A lot of hush money went out before he became president. A lot of allegations came out, and he just threw money at them and they went away. And that's what happens when you're rich. You could throw money at your problems and they disappear. But karma is a bitch, and time, you can't escape it. Time always catches up with you. The ruling is a bitter loss for Trump, even if the tax records are shielded from public disclosure at the moment, after he consistently argued that the subpoena issued by Manhattan District Attorney Cyrus Vance was overbroad and issued in bad faith. Just release the tax returns. What's on there that you don't want the American people to see? You're no longer the president unless he has some kind of 2024 agenda that he may be running again. But if you're not, which he probably is, this dude's probably not done. It means that the grand jury's investigation into alleged hush money payments and other issues will no longer be hampered by Trump's fight to keep the documents secret. So, a lot of secrets are about to come out, are about to be revealed, and not right away to us, the public, but in time they will be, especially if this dude's prosecuted. The ruling was issued without comment or noted dissent. Vance celebrated the order, saying in a tweet, "The work continues." Trump's legal team did not immediately respond to a request for comment. Although Trump's personal lawyers may continue to fight their appeal in the case, the fact that the documents will be released by Trump's long-term accounting firm, Mazars, effectively ends the dispute. Last July, the Supreme Court, voting 7-2, rejected Trump's broad claims of immunity from a state criminal subpoena seeking his tax returns, and said that as president, he was not entitled to any kind of heightened standard unavailable to ordinary citizens. Someone's constantly reaching for loopholes and constantly trying to block things. It makes you wonder. It really does. The justices sent the case back to the lower court so that the president could make more targeted objections regarding the scope of the subpoena. In October, a federal appeals court said that there is nothing to suggest that these are anything but run-of-the-mill documents typically relevant to a grand jury's investigation into possible financial or corporate misconduct, which I'm sure there's a lot of. And again, I'm not hating on this guy. I didn't vote for him. I didn't vote for Biden. So I'm not, right and left, and I'm right and wrong. That's how I get down. Smells like shit. Guess what? It's usually shit. Everything about Donald Trump smells like shit. Trump's personal lawyers then took the case back to the Supreme Court, urging the justices to put the lower court ruling on hold while the justices considered whether to take up the appeal. The subpoena is geographically sprawling, temporarily expansive, and topically unlimited. All the attributes that raise suspicions of an unlawful fishing expedition, William Conserve wrote. Even if disclosure is confined to the grand jury and prosecutors, he said, once the documents are surrendered, confidentiality will be lost for all time. And, well, you know what? That's what happens when you're the president of the United States, or you want to be the president of the United States. You have to reveal all. You can't keep any secrets. You can't keep nothing a secret. It's all public. And if you try, it will come out. If you don't want it to come out, it looks suspicious as the president or as someone in political office. So confidentiality, you're the president. You kind of give that up. If you want to be the president, you have to expect that there's no secrets. And if you got a lot of dirt and a lot of secrets, bad move trying to be the president or becoming the president. The subpoena spanned documents from January 2011 to August 2019, including his tax returns, from Trump's longtime accounting firm, Mazars. The documents relate to Trump's organization's employment of Trump's former lawyer, Michael Cohen, and hush money payment Cohen allegedly made to two women who claimed to have had extramarital affairs with Trump. All right, that's it for today, guys. Just wanted to give you a quick little update here. I thought this article was pretty interesting, and I thought it was breaking news because Donald Trump has been hiding and not wanting to release his tax returns for some time now. It's time. He may have got a Senate acquittal for the insurrection, but these New York City prosecutors, they do not play. He's going to have to release those tax returns now, and it might be a wrap. His ass is grass. Sorry about that, guys. Again, I don't hate or love him, but facts are facts. I'm right and wrong, not right and left. I believe in what's right is right and what's wrong is wrong. And if you watch Donald Trump long enough, if you watch anyone long enough, they usually tell you whatever you want to know. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for tuning in to Meet Mike. I'm Mike. Nice to meet you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. Smash that subscribe button. Hit that like button so you don't miss an episode. YouTube makes it really hard for new YouTubers to get going, and I'm trying my best. If you got value out of this today, throw the value back at me. Smash that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Drop a comment. What do you guys think? Should Donald Trump release his tax returns? Should he have to release his tax returns? Drop a comment. Let me know. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.